An everyday challenge experienced around conveyor systems is belt sag. Most often this can be seen at the conveyor transfer point when the impact of the material load misshapes the level of the belt between the idlers. This then prevents the skirting from containing the material and leads to not only spillage, but if not corrected, can lead to costly belt damage. The function of the K-Shaw belt support is to provide proper belt support under a conveyor transfer point. The K-Shaw belt support is retrofitted into existing trough idler frames and does not require any modifications to existing hardware. To commence installation, first remove the existing wing rollers from the idler frames and replace the wing rollers with the adapter brackets provided. Then, adjust if necessary the end shafts to suit the roller diameter and seat the brackets into the idler frame slots. If required, you may also like to attach the retaining plates. The next step is to ensure that the K-Shaw belt support rails are preceded and ended leading on and off with conveyor rollers located no more than 100 millimeters from the supporting rails. Fix the rails onto the supporting brackets using the T-bolt fasteners. If the system requires both a narrow rail and a wide rail, the wide rail should be positioned on the outer. Then make sure the rails are parallel. For longer installations, use joiners to properly support the rails as required. For continuously supported rails lengths over 2 meters, please contact Kinder & Co for advice and setup. We can be contacted by telephone on 03 9587 9244 or by email at sales@kinder.com.au.